yung aming integrity na nakalagay sa aming puso't damdamin ay hindi po namin yan, wala po katumbas na pera yan, Lorraine.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko po ibibinta, hindi ko po ibibinta aking dangal para sa pera. At masakit po sa akin na sabihan ako na nabili na ako ni Lisa Marcos. Lisa Araneta Marcos. Never po ako mabili.
You said earlier that you will let the chips fall where they may, di ba? Kahit na sino matamaan dito, basta sa katotohanan, right? So,
yes.
So for me, one of those glaring issues here, mabigat na issue, is the cover-up of a senator by the Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa. Will Paquito Ochoa be invited sa Senate?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
He is invited.
And sir, follow-up question, no? Kung umabot sa punto na ang tatamaan dito ay si Paquito Ochoa at ang Pangulo, hindi tayo titigil o titigil ka na, sir?
Wala tayo. Patuloy natin hanggat hindi natin cannot get to the bottom of it.
Kasi sir, Kasi sir, ang nababasa ko kasi sa comments, nagpe-play safe ka daw. Nagugulat ako sa ganong statements. You're playing safe because you're a re-electionist. And to my mind, I want to ask you this question, are you not afraid? On the contrary, I was telling myself he's very brave because you're going against an incumbent, a president. Diba? You're in that hearing yesterday, his name was mentioned,
several times.
Something that never happened for a very long time because he's a privileged privileged upbringing. Everybody covered up for him. Kaya siya naging governor, kaya siya naging senator, congressman hanggang naging president. People covered up for him even though they knew he was so unfit to be president. So my question to you here, sir, hindi ka ba natatakot that you're going against an incumbent whose track record from the past 2 years that we've seen, is very ruthless towards his perceived political enemies, and he has a lot of money. In fact, the corruption right now is rampant and shameless. Hindi ka natatakot?
Yes, your reaction, Senator Bato.
I swear to God, hindi ako natatakot kahit sino man kahit na aabot pa ito investigasyon natin kay Joe Biden, kahit sino pang aabutan sa investigasyon natin, hindi pa ako natatakot because naniniwala ako na sabi ng ating konstitusyon na ang Kongreso, particularly ang Senado, ay co-equal branch of government.
Correct.
Ng Malacanang. Nobody can dictate us, nobody can intimidate us. Pareho lang po kami, co-equal branch of government. So, asahan po ninyo na hindi tayo magpapatakot, hindi tayo magpapa-intimidate, hindi tayo magpapa-influensya. But, asahan rin ninyo naman na magiging patas tayo at fair tayo sa ating gagawing hearing. Hindi tayo, hindi ako nagpapadala kay Eric sa mga insinuations ng mga kung sino-sino bang mga vlogger dyan na gusto talagang asking for blood. No, please allow me to have my own objectivity as far as this inquiry is concerned.
Claro, sir.
Okay, so,
very good on that, sir. Saludo kami dyan.
Sir, pero naiintindihan nyo ba, sir? Kasi we also know Maharlika. And she's been very, very passionate about this, kasi ako, pag tinanong ako niyan, binayaran ka ba ni Lisa? Masasaktan ako talaga, Kasi ang meron na lang ako yung dangal ko, di ba? So, naiintindihan ko, ganun yung nararamdaman mo noon, di ba? So, my question to you, sir, is you said gagawin mo yung trabaho mo. Kasi ang nangyari dito, yung nakakahina, nakakalungkot sa Pilipinas na nakita ngayon, marami sa atin, nakita natin, lahat pala pera-pera lang. Binabayaran lang, wala nang dagal, wala nang prinsipyo, babaliktad. So sir, yung tinanong ni Lisa Araneta ni Maharlika, pwede mo bang bigyan ng sagot na, because of course yesterday you were very emotional, but now that you have cooled off a little bit, could you please respond to it properly?
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Lorraine, ako po nalulungkot talaga. Lorraine, your husband is a PMA.
Yes.
I am a PMA. Yung aming integrity na nakalagay sa aming puso't damdamin ay hindi po namin yan, wala po katumbas na pera yan, Lorraine.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko po ibibinta. Hindi ko po ibibinta aking dangal para sa pera. At masakit po sa akin na sabihan ako na nabili na ako ni Lisa
Araneta.
Lisa Marcos, Lisa Araneta Marcos. Never po ako mabili. Magtanong ka in my 36 years of police service, lahat na nakasama ko, lahat na nakikilala sa akin sa pagiging police ko, kung kaya ba akong bilihin. Pakisabi lang sa kanila kung kaya ba akong bilihin. Lalo na ngayon na senador na ako. Magpapabili pa ako.
Yes, sir.
Ano na lang dangal ko kung kaya akong bilhin.
Klaro.
Diba?
Sir.
Kaya nasaktan ako. Talaga nag-react ako na that's a very irresponsible statement. Ayaw kong palampasin. Eric, dahil
Yes, sir.
damay-damay niyan eh. Pag sabing nabili ka, ibig sabihin, damay ng institusyon ng Senado, damay ng aking alma mater ng PMA na wala pala akong integrity kasi
Tama.
ang dami kong mga senior officers dyan nagmumonitor sa akin at galit na galit pag nakita nila na ako ay wala ng integrity. Kaya never po ako, pati ang pamilya ko,
Correct.
madadamay na dito pag integrity na ang pag-uusapan.
Agree, sir.
So, kaya ako nag-react na hindi talaga ako nagpapabili. Never ako mabili at never ako ma-intimidate.
Yes, sir. Magandang
Thank you.
explanation po yun.
One last,
And,
Eric.
sige ma'am, before
one last
ko
lang, just
follow
to
up sa
finish it off lang, sir. So, in other words, the surest road to failure is when you try to please everyone. No, it's impossible.
Yes, sir.
I
Reaction, sir.
cannot please everyone. I cannot please everyone because there are always two sides of the coin. If the truth the truth is naka-incline towards one side, wala akong magawa. Basta, I will stick with the truth. So, kung yung tatamaan, talaga magagalit sa akin. At saka yung hindi masatisfy yung kanilang last for whatever, kung anong meron sila, hindi ko po sila masatisfy. Basta ako, I will stick with the truth.
Yes, sir. Very good.
Opo.
Senator Bato.
As I've said, Eric, nagkakandak po ako ng investigation not to satisfy yung kagustuhan ng ibang tao dyan.
Yes.
Nagkandak ako ng investigation to achieve the truth.
Correct.
Na makuha ko yung katotohanan.